everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka. Today's video is going to be a Meesho haul. It's been quite some time since I did a Meesho haul and a lot of you guys wanted to see a party wear Meesho haul. So if you're following me on Instagram, you would have seen me style some of these outfits already, but they're all still available in stock. And also you can follow me on Instagram for such quick updates. So I will leave my Instagram handle also right here. Now let's begin and I'll show you guys what I got. So let's start with everyone's favorite. So this is a Chikankari kurta, which is so pretty. I was wearing this in one of my Instagram pictures. I think I wore it for my birthday. So a lot of you guys really liked it, and you would have seen this design a lot because it's not just on Meesho. I think it's there on Amazon, and mainly I think you would have seen this on Acho, this website which has like a lot of beautiful Indian wear. So Acho has it priced at a very expensive price. I think maybe 3,000-4,000. So obviously we were all looking for alternatives, and I found this on Meesho, so I decided to try this out. So I think the only difference between the one on Meesho and Acho, I think, is the one that Acho is selling is the exact same design, but I think it has lining. So I think that's the only difference because the quality pretty much looks the same when worn, at least. So yeah, so I decided to try this out and it actually turned out really good. The fabric quality is really nice and it gives the exact same look. Now I don't know if it is an original design by Acho because this is pretty much a very common design. So it has like puff sleeves and there's a little bit of chip detailing here. So you'll see these white color chips all over. So when you wear, there's actually a very nice look. It's not just plain chikankari or plain embroidery work, but it also has these white chips, the sequin, which gives it a very nice look. So even at the bottom you can see that it has a very beautiful border and it has these sequin chips all over. It has like puff sleeves and it has a little flare from the waist down, so it can be worn as a dress. It is a dress as it is, but you can wear it also as a kurta. So I think both ways it looks really good. I styled it with a black dupatta with mirror work and it looked very nice with that also, and you can wear it even with your usual handloom dupattas. So you can style it with like a white dupatta and white trousers as well if you're looking for like an all white look. So initially I ordered 3XL in this and it turned out to be tight, and also it had markings of this work of the chips design. It had all pink markings, so I exchanged it. I think a lot of you guys asked me about exchange on Meesho, so it does get picked up and you will receive your product. I decided I've exchanged 2-3 times till now, and yeah, so even the previous one said size 50. Here it says size 50. Even the previous one said size 50, but I don't know, it was quite tight. I usually wear between 44 to 46 size, and that's why I ordered 3XL, but that was tight and I returned it and I ordered a bigger size. I will put the size here. So this one actually quite reasonable. I think it's about 1,500. It a lot of different sellers are selling them for different prices, like 1,400, 1,200, 1,000 bucks, 800 also. So I think you should check the rating of the seller and then purchase it so that you will get a good quality product. Mostly there are reviews with pictures below the product itself, so you can see that and purchase. Anyway, I'm very happy with this one. My quality is good. All the thread work is also really good. It's all intact and looks very nice when worn. Quite a nice party wear dress. I really like this one. I would definitely recommend it. I've seen this on Amazon also. I think the quality is pretty much the same. I'll try and link both just in case you want to get it. So this green kurta is also so beautiful. This one actually is just for 300 or 350. So I thought I'll try it on and get it. But the fabric quality is not that great, but I think for the price it's okay. It is sort of crisp, but the good thing is that it doesn't irritate your skin. So I've worn this a lot of times. I've styled it with like different colors because it's such a light green. I've worn it with orange. I've worn it with like fluorescent green dupatta. Recently I've styled it with a patani dupatta, which is in fluorescent green. So on Meesho it sort of looks really long like a maxi dress, but this one is not a maxi dress. A little below my knees is all it is. It's not a maxi dress, but it's like a umbrella cut kurta. So it has like a nice flare. This I would recommend only because of the color and it's so versatile. The lining is there only on the top, and from the waist down there is no lining, but the flare is good and it's not very transparent. I have used it so many times. I've already worn it a couple of times with different colors, so that way I would definitely recommend it. But keep in mind that the fabric quality is not that great, and it's sort of like a crispy fabric. See the sound it makes. So it's the polyester mix. Quality could have been better for sure, but yeah, I really like the color. Next up we have this really pretty purple long maxi dress. This is also that Banarasi looking dress. It's a very beautiful color, which is why I got it. And it has hands up to like elbow length, I think, and it's your usual yoke and then flared maxi dress. At the bottom it has a huge border of this mustard yellow, and because it has gold here, it looks very nice. So the look of it is very beautiful. You can just wear like one long neck piece and style it with like Banarasi dupatta or anything. You can even wear it for like weddings. I think this would look beautiful. And it has lining on the top. The lining is also a good fabric, but the only problem with this, and I hate this part, is that it has this, so the work that we see here, these gold dots, this is the back side of it, and I just couldn't stand wearing it for a long time. That's my only problem with this dress. Otherwise the fabric quality and everything is good, and I'm also glad that this is not just mica print. If it is print again, it will fade away also, but it's a quite a beautiful combination. If you don't have anything in purple, then maybe you can try it out. Now I have two dupattas to show you guys. So these are digital prints. These are not actual Kalamkari. These are digital prints. And when I saw them on the app, I was like, wow, these are priced at 300 rupees and it said Kalamkari. And I will show you guys the picture. I put screenshots of what they look like on the app. On the app, they look amazing. Obviously, I did not expect that quality. I was pretty sure they will not be anywhere close. In fact, I thought they'll be worse than what actually came. And these actually turned out pretty alright, like color wise and the look wise. So these are actually sort of linen kind of fabric, but the print and all looks very beautiful. You can see that it has all these beautiful print, sort of what usually you see in hand painted kalamkaris, but this is all screen printing. I wish the fabric was slightly better. You can't really tell, like you can wear it for daily wear for office or college and you really can't tell. It is basic quality of linen kind of fabric. I think that's how I can describe it. So it does look good when you wear them. So this is what they look like. And at the bottom it has these type knots. Obviously for 300 I don't think I could have expected more. And now of course these are not like handlooms. Basically your kalamkaris or block prints or hand painted ones, of course they take a lot of effort, while screen printing is much less. So these are not your original kalamkaris, but if you're looking for something like this for your daily wear, I would definitely recommend it. But I don't think you should wash it because the fabric will become too, patla, and I think the look won't be the same. Dupattas, I generally also don't wash my dupattas because you hardly wear them on the top, and it's not like you sweat or unless they get dirty. I usually keep them and I get them ironed. I dry them, air dry them if necessary, and then I'll get them ironed and fold them back. So I usually also don't wash my dupattas, especially if they're party wear. I just don't wash them at all. But yeah, anyway, so that's my side of how I manage. So here at the border, it has a little bit of the gold hint to it. It does look good. So that was our first dupatta. Now we have one more dupatta. This one is a pink one, and I thought this color was absolutely gorgeous when I saw it in the app. It's pretty close. So here again, you'll see one of those hand painted style of design, a very beautiful design with screen printing, of course. Just the look won't be the same as hand painted, but I think it still looks beautiful, and I really like this color. It is a little different, of course, when you see it in the picture and when it actually arrives, that's always going to be there, especially with Meesho. Here it has a little bit of gold border. It is slightly different from what it looks like in the picture, while the blue one is exactly the same as picture. This one, I think the design is slightly different. It has a little bit of purple border in the picture. So again, it's a very transparent, your basic, very basic linen sort of fabric. And again, if you wash it, I don't think it will last. So this was also 300 bucks. Looks very nice to wear it for everyday use. I mainly love the designs. That's the reason I've got it, and also I was curious because I have been trying out different vendors and different products when it comes to Kalamkari and handlooms. So I wanted to see what you can expect for that price. So if you are looking for something for everyday use and not looking for hand painted ones and find them too expensive, but you want to try something like this with this sort of Kalamkari digital print, then I would say try it out. Try one and see, so that you get an actual look of what the fabric looks like and feels like before you actually go and invest in a couple of them. That's what I would recommend. I hope I am able to show you guys. So I think at the back also you can see. So on the front, because of the color, you really can't tell. It sort of looks very pretty. So yeah, this is the actual fabric. This is what it is like. So that was everything that I wanted to show you guys in today's video. I'll leave all the product codes in the description. I think now you can share links also. I'm going to try and leave the links in the description box. So do check them out in case you're interested in getting any of these. And let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to try out anything else from Meesho. And also let me know what other videos you would like to watch. Do subscribe to this channel and my Telugu channel. I have videos coming out on both the channels every week. So I'll leave my previous videos here so you can check them out. A lot of you guys wanted to know more about the accommodation in Shirala. I recently went for a weekend getaway, so that vlog is here, and other videos also. Check them out, Amazon hauls and so much more. So check them out. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.